Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix iPhone 16 Pro lagging issue. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go to your iPhone settings and then tap on to general, and you have to tap on iPhone storage. Make sure that you have enough storage available because sometimes this issue happens because you don't have enough storage. And then let's move forward to the second method, which is basically make sure your iPhone is not too cold or not too hot. Keep it in a temperature because sometimes too hot or too cold weather creates this problem for your iPhone 16 Pro. And then you have to go to settings, and if you're still facing the problem, go to general and go to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on to reset all settings. This might solve your problem because it fixes small glitches on your iPhone. And if you're still facing the problem, then you have to force restart your iPhone, like just press and hold the volume up button and the side button together and restart your iPhone. So that's it, your problem should be fixed till now. And it isn't solved, then go to general and search for software update. If any update is available, then update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS, and make sure that you have enough storage because this is the main reason to lagging of your iPhone. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.